are out driving in the blizzard 2014. Just had to go out. This is Bowen Road where we trout fish. Look at the geese. They're just laying there. They don't know what to do. Now, there's a town truck checking out the roads, doing the work. You guys, look at this. Just unbelievable. Niagara Park. Niagara Park's keeping the roads clean. Looks like you're in the Arctic here. This is the Niagara Boulevard. Driving down. Niagara Parkway is plowed. Fort Erie, Ontario. Blizzard 2014. Just thought you'd like to see what it looks like. There's a really popular shore fishing spot right there. We call that the Hook, just down from the International Bridge. I've caught personally myself some giant jumbo perch there. I've caught walleye, I've caught muskie, I've caught pike, I've caught largemouth bass, I've caught carp, and I've caught bait. Everything you can possibly catch right here. Bottom of Dufferin Street. Check it out. All the spots today because nobody's out fishing. Another perch spot right there, government dock. Another town truck. International Bridge. Get ready to check this out. This is pretty wild. We drift through here. The ice is halfway up the wall. I don't know if you'll be able to see it or not. Holding the hand out is pretty cold, I'll tell you that much. Anyways, I think you get the idea. It's a mess out here. FishingNiagara.com, all the reports. The river is absolutely full of ice. Lake Erie was 50% covered. That's 50% of ice on the eastern basin right now. Get ready, it's going to get cold, then it's going to get warm. Good luck. Go fishing.